Hello everyone, this is Dipti from Prayanats. So I'm back with my next journal in the same series. Somehow these journal for kids has been liked by many people, and I'm really happy that people are appreciating the hard work which I put in making these journals. So this journal is again for a 9-year-old child, and I have made this journal using a fabric along with lace on all four sides. So let's begin with the flip through. uh, this is a multicolored string which I have used as a closure for this journal, so this can be easily removed, so it's optional if you want to use it. The book plate has a removable paper, so you can add a label to this journal. Also, if you wish, you can change the paper. Now moving on to the inside, the front cover has a pocket with a plain tag which can always be decorated further. You can also write some notes regarding the purpose of this journal. This is a photo pocket with a photo of the child along with a double tag. So this can be used as an introduction page where the child can write about herself. The next page goes for the daddy, where I have added again a small plain tag. This is a completely decorated tag for you to give an idea of how you can make different types of tags. This is a pocket to add a lot of stuff in the journal. So likewise, I have used different kinds of scrapbook paper. This is a tuck spot where I have added a photograph along with a flip down envelope which gives you some writing space. So this page is dedicated to the grandfather. So as you can see, there are cues on all the pages for the child to write. This is a corner pocket with a tag. This also has some writing space, so you can make small notes. This is again a pocket for you to insert some goodies. This page is dedicated for doodling, so you can make doodles and add onto this corner hugger. This is a miniature booklet kind of a thing for making small notes along with a plain tag which you can decorate as per your choice. So you can see some beautiful printed scrapbook papers. Some of the pages do not have any cues, so you can always add your own. This is again a pocket where I have added a small booklet, a miniature booklet kind of a thing, which is made out of tea dyed papers. I have also stamped some of the pages with natural leaves and some clear stamps. This is again a pocket with a journaling tag which has some writing space at the back. So there are a lot of plain tags in this journal which you can decorate. Uh, this is a embellished paper clip which can be used as a tuck spot. So you can see on the other side I have added this photograph. So you can add a lot of stuff onto these, and you can also remove this and move on any of the other pages if you want. This is again a pocket which I have made using a book page and a waste plastic material, and I have decorated this with a tissue paper and added this printed tag. This is again a pocket where I have inserted some photographs as an element of surprise for the child. So here we come to the end of the journal. This is how the journal goes. Please let me know how do you find this. I always like to hear your feedback. Do let me know how can I make this better. Thank you for being with me. Have a nice day. Bye.